Apple's iPhone Air may look sleek, but sales haven't exactly set the world on fire. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. Leaks hint that the iPhone Air 2 could finally address its biggest flaws, and fans have a lot to be excited about. According to reports, the iPhone Air 2 could feature COE display tech, the same upgrade planned for Apple's foldable iPhone. That means a brighter, sharper screen and a thinner panel that can make room for a bigger battery. With the current iPhone Air already ultra-thin at just 5.6mm, a boost in battery life would be a welcome improvement for users who want more juice without sacrificing design. Camera upgrades are also on the table. The iPhone Air has been criticized for its single rear lens, but leaks suggest the Air 2 will add a second camera with an ultra-wide lens, finally giving users more photography flexibility. While some may question the demand for super thin phones, as Samsung reportedly scrapped the Galaxy S26 Edge after weak sales, Apple seems committed to at least one more Air model. The new launch schedule points to iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max in 2026, with the iPhone 18 and iPhone Air 2 arriving in 2027. If these leaks are true, the iPhone Air 2 could finally deliver the battery life, screen brightness, and camera improvements fans have been craving for, and potentially giving Apple's lightweight phone a much-needed sales boost. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Who said phone cases have to be boring? Beats just flipped the script with a new collection of iPhone 17 cases that don't just protect your phone, they do things. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. Beats, best known for its bold audio gear, just dropped a surprisingly clever lineup of iPhone 17 cases, and one of them has a trick up its sleeve, or rather, its lanyard. The Beats kickstand case features a removable lanyard that not only helps keep your phone closed, but transforms into a kickstand for hands-free users for just $59. It magnetically snaps to the case, making it perfect for watching videos, FaceTiming, or making your phone stand while working. With phone lanyards and crossbody straps becoming must-haves for travel and everyday convenience, Beats is leaning into the trend while adding true functionality. You can get these cases in granite gray, bedrock blue, limestone, and pebble pink, and this case supports MagSafe and includes camera control features too. And if you're not into lanyards, the Beats thin case is a more minimal option for $45. It's ultra slim, lightweight, and designed to fit the iPhone 17 and iPhone Air like a glove. With a matte fingerprint-resistant exterior and a soft microfiber lining inside, it's a no-fuss, stylish layer protection. And if you're clumsy, Beats got you covered with a rugged case engineered for real-world wear and tear in $79. Built with a durable polymer back and shock-absorbing sides, it's passed numerous drop, scratch, and thermal tests. A textured matte grip makes it easier to hold, while a fully enclosed bottom adds extra protection. This model comes in Everest Black, Rocky Blue, Alpine Gray, and Sierra Orange. As Apple fans gear up for the launch of the iPhone 17 series and iOS 26 on September 15th, these new Beats cases bring a bit of attitude and a lot of functionality to the mix. So that was all. Drop your thoughts in the comments. People are wondering why they should go for iPhone Air when it costs $200 more than the base iPhone 17. You'll think iPhone Air has less cameras, smaller battery, smaller display, so why bother buying it? But we are sure it'll all change the moment you hold it. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. iPhone Air isn't just an iPhone, it's Apple flexing every ounce of its design and engineering capability, all in a device that feels like the future. The iPhone Air is absurdly sleek, like a sci-fi pebble in your hand. Yes, it's just 5.6mm. Despite its wafer-like body, it still packs top-tier performance thanks to the A19 Pro chip, a stunning 3000 nit OLED display with ProMotion, and a new ceramic shield too with anti-reflective coating. That means no one will see anything even if they peek in your phone. The design, simply jaw-dropping. A titanium frame, curved edges, and an almost surreal likeness make it feel more like a fashion object than a phone. Yet it's IP68 water-resistant and surprisingly won't break if you drop it. Yes, it might have one rear camera, but Apple's 48-megapixel lens and reworked portrait tech still deliver beautiful results, even rivaling phones with triple lens arrays. And battery life? Better than expected, lasting nearly 24 hours on a single charge, with ultra-fast recharge thanks to MagSafe and a new ultra-slim battery pack. But here's the catch. The iPhone Air isn't for everyone. If you want telephoto zoom or a big screen, look elsewhere. But for those who are wondering what a foldable iPhone would be like, the Air is the choice. It's not just the lightest iPhone, but the boldest one Apple's made so far. So, are you gonna give it a shot? Let us know in the comments. The iPhone 17 series may have just hit the shelves, but Apple fans are already looking ahead for the foldables. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for all the tech updates. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple's planning to launch its first ever foldable iPhone in 2026, and if early reports are true, then it won't just be foldable, it might also be Apple's thinnest and most expensive iPhone yet. The design is rumored to resemble two titanium iPhone Airs side by side, suggesting a sleek, ultra-thin form that blends cutting-edge hardware with Apple's obsession for minimalist perfection. And thanks to titanium, the device will get a durable build, especially because it will literally bend. These iPhones will be primarily produced in China, despite speculation earlier this year that Apple might shift its manufacturing base to India. Gurman notes that while some assembly may diversify geographically, China will still play a key role in building this next generation device. And guess what's the most eyebrow-raising point of this? It's the price. The foldable iPhone is expected to start at a whopping $2,000, with some leaks placing it closer to the $2,300 mark. That would make it one of the most premium consumer products Apple's ever released, rivaling its top-tier Pro Max models and nearly entering the MacBook territory. But when will the foldable iPhone launch? Well, according to insiders, there's a high chance it'll debut alongside the iPhone 18 lineup in September 2026, with actual availability possibly sliding to October or November, similar to the late release of the iPhone X in 2017. Are you excited to see what the foldable iPhone's gonna unfold? Apple is gearing up for a massive 2026 blowout, and fans are already buzzing. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. For its 50th anniversary, Apple's coming with a wave of new gadgets, upgrades, and AI-powered surprises that could redefine your digital life. According to Mark Gurman, Apple isn't holding back next year, as many releases are set to hit every corner of its ecosystem. 2026 will kick off with a fresh iPhone 17e with the A19 chip, a sleeker design, and the dynamic island replacing the old notch. iPad lovers won't be left behind either. Apple's updating its entry-level iPad with the A18 chip and giving the iPad Air a power boost with the new M4 chip. Early 2026 is shaping up to be all about faster, smarter, and sleeker devices. Spring will bring Apple's long-awaited mark in the smart homes. Rumor says a smart speaker with a built-in display and a wall-mounted smart screen will finally arrive. It'll have AI-powered Siri to understand your on-screen actions, context, and apps like never before. Gurman says this is Apple closing the gap between claim and reality. And by June, WWDC will showcase the next wave of software: iOS 27, macOS 27, watchOS 27, and major updates to Apple Intelligence. Gurman also said that Apple's doubling down on AI to finally compete with rivals, and finally in September, the real show would begin with the iPhone 18 launch. And hold your breath for the long-speculated foldable iPhone that might finally debut. Apple Watch fans are also in for a treat, plus a preview of Apple's mysterious smart glasses could drop too. And yes, a refreshed iPad mini is expected before year-end as well, although the iPad Pro will have to wait until 2027.